My name is Mayra Mora from Guadalajara, Mexico. Studying contemporary business topics at Pearson College London, and I am super excited about the course. I work for a marketing agency back in Guadalajara, so my interest in this course was like to learn new strategies not only for marketing but also for business. After COVID, businesses started having like a lot of failures and also challenges. So what the course is teaching us is how to face those challenges and also how to create strategies to make things more effective. In these terms, I am very, very grateful at Pearson because all the professors have been super helpful, very insightful. They have given us like very good strategies, but we also apply the knowledge during the classes, and we have weekly projects. So the weekly projects are actually very good because that's when we sort of like apply all the knowledge during the week, and it has been a great experience. So for everyone who is hesitant of coming to London, don't be. It's a marvelous experience, but it's also a great way to know Europe. So over here you can jump for a weekend at Paris, or you can jump for another weekend in Switzerland. It's amazing. I truly recommend the course, and of course the city of London. So whenever you come, just make sure to check on the weather apps because the weather has been quite crazy. Other than that, the city itself, it's amazing and you'll have a great time. Thank you.